So I went through our tracker product line, and now I'm going to go through some of the accessories that can be paired with them. We're going to start with our V-probe, which allows for wireless probing up to 80 meters with the tracker. So it communicates using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. It includes rechargeable batteries that can last anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. And we do include a second set of rechargeable batteries so you can get all-day use out of it. Some of the features of the V-probe have been improved since our first generation. The whole unit has gotten smaller by about 30%. The probe tips now have RFID in it, so it's auto-recognized inside the software. So there's no need to go back to the software and change the probe. It can all be done automatically. We've changed the buttons to be pre-programmable to either take a measurement, delete a measurement, or to move on to a different measurement type. And we've made the unit solid state, where our first generation had some moving parts, so reaction time is a lot faster. In the top, we do have a COM port, which can be used to charge the V-probe or can be connected to the tracker if wireless isn't allowed inside the facility. The top of it also has a lid where we have our 2 rechargeable batteries inside there. We have our power button. Again, we have the 2 buttons. We have a horizontal mounting position and a vertical mounting position. So next we're going to talk about the iScan 3D. This is an upcoming non-contact scanning and probing device that pairs with the Radian Plus and the Radian Pro. This uses a blue light X pattern with a field of view of 130 millimeters by 100 millimeters. That'll roughly be about 5 inches by 4 inches of coverage when scanning. It is corded to the laser tracker and also has 2 ports in the top for a probe similar to the V-probe and out of the front. There are 2 programmable buttons with the iScan that you can use to measure, delete measurements, or change measurement type. So again, the cord that's included with the iScan is a simple port on the back and will be USB right into the computer. So using the iScan 3D is really easy. You would just turn the yaw towards the tracker. The iVision would pick it up automatically, and the software switches over to scan mode. So to go over some of the specs of the iScan 3D, its output is 200,000 points per second. Again, it's a blue light laser scanner, so it has really good high dynamic range, meaning that it can scan shiny objects and really dark objects really well. The built-in software with the scanner has great noise reduction. The accuracy of the scanner is about plus or minus 50 microns within 7 meters, plus or minus 80 microns within 15 meters, and then plus or minus 4 microns per meter over that. So probing with the iScan is just as easy as scanning with it. The probes do have RFID built into them, so once you put them into its front or top location, the software will automatically switch over to that position, that probe, and the calibration that was current to that probe. So that was an overview of the laser trackers and our accessories that go with them. We're extremely excited about the current status of where we're at with them, and we hope soon that you'll want to try them out in person. So thank you.